The welding line consists of manual flexible assembly stations, central automated storage and retrieval system, ASRS, robot welding zones, and machining areas. The robot welding zone includes manual assembly stations, robot welding stations, and grinding or rework stations. The storage system retrieves the corresponding assembly fixtures based on part information and delivers them to the assembly stations. Operators perform part assembly and tack welding. After assembly, the storage system delivers the corresponding welding fixtures to the welding stations. Operators load parts onto welding fixtures, which are temporarily stored by the stacker before welding. By adopting the traveling welding fixtures and a SRS system, it can achieve flexible and 24/7 production. The stacker retrieves parts to the welding station. After the positioner automatically loads the welding fixture, it works in coordination with the robot to perform automatic welding. After welding is completed, the positioner releases the workpiece. The stacker crane retrieves the workpiece. The workpiece is transferred to the post-welding buffer area of the ASRS for temporary storage. The stacker crane retrieves the workpiece and delivers it to the grinding and weld repair station. Manual weld repair and grinding are performed, and the stacker crane returns the empty welding fixture to the ASRS. After manual weld repair and grinding are completed, the stacker crane transfers the workpiece to the pre-machining buffer area of the ASRS for temporary storage. The stacker crane retrieves the machining fixture from the ASRS. Operators install the machining fixture. The workpiece is lifted and loaded onto the conveyor line. The workpiece is conveyed to the automatic machining area. The intelligent gantry picks the workpiece and loads it onto the machining center. After automatic machining is completed, the gantry transfers the workpiece to the unloading conveyor line. Operators remove the machining fixture and place the workpiece in the buffer area. The machining fixture is automatically returned to the ASRS.